what I did wrong was I turned the bird on the transmitter. That didn't work. So what you have to do is transmitter first, then the bird. I'm armed. Okay, this doesn't have anything. I don't think. I don't remember it having anything. Now we'll see. No, nothing. It's strictly manual flyer, but she flies nice, look. Where are you? There you are. Got blinky lights already. That's not good. It's an old battery. Yeah, and she's really sluggish. Let's go up to second speed. It's got 3 rates. Keep her in close. I don't know if you can see those lights in front. They're blinking. See if I can bring it in without killing myself. Nope, that's it. That's it. I guess I'm going to have to buy new batteries. So I only have the one battery and it's very old. I've had this bird for, I'll bet you 3 years. So that battery is 3 years old. Well, it was a short flight. Yeah. Hope the hat cam got it. I guess we'll find out later. See you later, guys.